Hello and welcome to my channel, dear viewers, Faith Cooks. Today's recipe which I am sharing is the chicken kadhahi. It is better, usually it is prepared in the kadhahi, but I will be using my vessel. If you want, you can make it in the kadhahi. This is the chicken. I have added liver also, 1.5 kg of chicken, and this is the olive oil. You can take the ghee as well, and this is the one big spoon of, I have grounded it, crushed black pepper, garlic paste, one heap of very big heap of spoon, one heap of ginger paste, garlic paste, salt to taste. Ingredients are very less, but the flavor will be excellent. You can chop the tomatoes, peel them and chop them like in the sliced manner or in the round as you like. There are so many green chilies. It depends on how much you need. Ginger julienne and the green coriander. So these are the only ingredients. Now I am taking the olive oil into my vessel. Here goes the ginger paste and the garlic paste. Both I will make golden brown. My gas is on very high flame, so you can also use the high flame. Now the nice aroma of the garlic and the ginger paste is coming. I am adding the chicken to it. I have added and I am mixing the chicken with the garlic and ginger paste, as the chicken will change the color, and gas is on full. I will add no water. There is no water in this recipe. So I will fry till the chicken releases its water and it changes its color. Here I am covering it, and for 10 minutes let the water be released, and then I will open. In the middle you can check. I will check it. As you can see, I did not add any color to it, or I did not add anything. But the proportion should be 1 kg of chicken and 1 kg of tomatoes. Equal amount of tomatoes you will take. There is no use of curd in it. Equal amount of chicken and equal amount of the tomatoes. Always peel them and then finely slice them into roughly chopped and peel tomatoes. I am checking again. I think it has changed its color, so I am adding this one big spoon of black pepper, crushed black pepper. I have and salt to taste. According to your taste, I am adding salt to taste, and then again mix it properly with the chicken. I prefer using the fresh grounded pepper, crushed pepper, grounded pepper to it, not the powder, because the freshly ground pepper has its own flavor and the taste and the aroma and the color. So as you can see, I did not add any water, and just look at the wonderful color. Now here I am adding 1 kg of peeled and sliced round, or I have sliced it in a long form, and little bit of 5 to 6 green chilies to it. So now my gas is sim, and the chicken, the tomatoes will release their own water, and the chicken will be done in its own water. I am not adding any extra water, no oil, nothing. And after 20 to 25 minutes I will open the lid again. Now I am covering it and cooking on very sim gas. I will check the status of the chicken. As you can see how well it has been done, and look, all the aroma, the nice aroma is coming, and the chicken is fully done. And look at the color. Though I did not add any spices to it, it's fully done, and I will be dishing it out, and the oil has come up. As you can see, dear viewers, my wonderful chicken kadai is ready to serve. I have sprinkled little green coriander and the ginger julienne, and you can have it with the chapatis, with the parathas. I have given so many recipes, and hope you enjoy the recipe with your family and friends. I have a Facebook page also, Faith Cooks. If you have any queries regarding the recipes, you can ask me there. And hope you like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Faith Cooks. Thank you.